Hello and welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations.
Today, we have a fantastic product to discuss, especially for those with mature skin and melasma concerns.
We're talking about the Physicians Formula Organic Wear All-Natural Liquid Foundation Elixir in the shade Light.
This foundation claims to be a game-changer, offering full coverage with organic ingredients. Let's dive into all the details. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's have a closer look at the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Liquid Foundation Elixir. This product is designed for mature skin and promises to be a fantastic solution for those dealing with melasma issues.
Now, let's talk about the key features that make this foundation stand out. Ultra nourishing. This foundation elixir is ultra fluid and weightless, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. Full coverage. It provides full coverage, which is crucial for those with melasma, helping to even out skin tone and conceal imperfections. Organic ingredients. The formula contains organic jojoba oil, organic aloe vera, organic coconut oil, and botanical cactus flower.
These ingredients lock in moisture and improve the appearance of your skin. Dewy finish. If you love that healthy, dewy look, this foundation delivers a second skin, airbrushed dewy finish. Skin-friendly. It's hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, dermatologist-approved, clinically tested, vegan, and cruelty-free.
Now, let's discuss why this foundation is an excellent choice for those dealing with melasma. Full coverage. The full coverage formula is effective in concealing melasma spots and uneven skin tone. Organic ingredients. With organic ingredients, you don't have to worry about harsh chemicals exacerbating melasma or causing skin irritation. Moisturizing. The foundation's hydrating properties can help keep your skin looking healthy and radiant, despite melasma concerns. Now, let's talk about the price and options.
The Physicians Formula Organic Wear Liquid Foundation Elixir is priced at just $8.06 on Amazon, which is a fantastic deal considering its quality and organic ingredients.
There are several shade options available to match your skin tone. Please note that individual experiences may vary, so it's essential to consider your skin type and specific needs. In conclusion, the Physicians Formula Organic Wear All-Natural Liquid Foundation Elixir is a promising option for those with mature skin and melasma concerns. With its full coverage, organic ingredients, and affordable price point, it's worth trying out. However, it's essential to keep in mind the mixed reviews and consider your skin type before making a purchase. That's it for today's review of the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Liquid Foundation Elixir. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. If you've tried this foundation or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.